Hi guys, so I just got off a 12-hour shift and I'm gonna do a nighttime get unready with me type of video, like the stress after like 12-hour shift. So I work 12-hour shift Monday to Thursday, and it also depends on my weekend. Sometimes I pick up shift, sometimes I like to keep my weekends off just because I want it that way. Like weekends are just like my off days. But anyways, today is Monday night and I'm gonna make a little like vlog nighttime. So yeah, I'm just gonna take a bath and then I'll update you guys of like life update as well. Hey guys, so I'm about to take a shower, but I want to show you guys real quick what I've been loving is, come on, focus. So I've been collecting this 3 hot scrub, and if you guys watch my, I believe, July favorites, I featured them on one of my favorite, and I've been loving them really bad. And I only have like 3 left here downstairs in the basement where I normally take a shower. But yeah, I think since I am done with the Moroccan Rose, I low-key want to try, because I already tried the vanilla bean and the, haven't tried these two, but I low-key want to try this. Well, not low-key, but high-key want to try this. So I'm gonna use this scrub. This is the matcha mojito and it smells really good. So I'm gonna use this scrub tonight. I also like to light candles at you know, while I'm taking a shower. I don't know, especially with these scent. I still like trying to, like, you know, light this up, and it smells like cookies and cream. Like cookies and cream. This is like Christmas. This was like earlier last year, and I'm still like trying to like use this candle. And I also have my speaker because I like to listen to music while I'm taking a shower. So yeah, I'm gonna just light this candle really quick. So I'm gonna put this one here. So I do use this Way body scrub. It's for scalp and body scrub, but I actually just use this just for my hair because this is expensive. And if you guys notice, I went to the salon and, you know, got my hair done, and I'm still not done, like I said, but I have been using this just for hair. I use this at least 2 weeks, not 2 weeks, 2 times a week. And I've been just using the 3 hot for, like, you know, all over body. And I have here like my shampoo and conditioner, and this red, my hairstylist recommend me this hair purple shampoo, since I have a balayage colored hair. So that's what I've been, you know, using a lot. And right now, since I did last, was it like Sunday night, I washed my hair, will take a shower and wash my hair and use just the shampoo and conditioner itself, but not this one. Tonight I'm just gonna wash this with a conditioner, and then this is like the rest of my how do you call this, my bath essentials. So I use this honey pot. This is a black owned business, and I switched the Summer's Eve to this one, and I've been loving this one ever since. So yeah, that's just like my little bath essential. And I also love some loofah. So I have one particular for my body and one for, you know, and also for my toes, like scrubs for my toes. And my husband has his own, and he has his own, like, you know, shampoo, conditioner, like a body scrub. But yeah, this is just like my side is that side and his side. So yeah, he has only like 3 stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna take a shower now. Okay, so I just got out the shower, and I think I'm just gonna like air dry my hair. And after taking a shower, I have a new addition to like my nighttime routine. Working as an essential worker when still in the middle of pandemic, it's really stressful, and trying myself to, like, you know, stay calm and stay positive. And also I want to show you guys my new favorite. So I've been using this Teami Restore powder every single night. I mean every single night. So I have my mug, my favorite mug from Amazon right here, and it has Teami already. I started drinking it already while I was like trying to put lotion and stuff. So this is the Teami Restore Powder, and it'll help you like de-stress. And I would say when I woke up in the morning, I feel like refreshed and renewed. I don't know, I feel like I'm ready to go, like I'm ready to like help save lives and just like, you know, do a lot of work. So yeah, that's have been my new favorite now, and like my great addition to like my nighttime routine. And up until now, I've been still drinking it, like constantly drinking it every night. It's like a, like I said, it's like a great addition to like my nighttime routine. So if you guys are if you guys are interested on Teami Restore Powder, then you guys can use my code GLENT25 for 25% off. But if you are interested in just any Teami products, you can still use my code, so you guys can save a lot of money. I love how this flavor is orange citrus, and it's really sweet. I did not expect that it's this gonna be sweet, but it's really sweet. I mean, it's not to the point that it's too sweet. It's like okay sweet, like in the middle sweet. And you just have to, you gotta use hot water, like you have to boil some water. So what I do, like sometimes I get tired, I just like microwave the water and like call it a day, because I'm too tired to boil the water. But yeah, this has been like my great addition to like feel like distress, especially like I said, been working with 12-hour shift 4 days a week. So this has been like a great addition. Just want to show you guys. But anyways, after that, I'm just gonna finish drinking these, because I like to drink this when it's hot, because for some reason it tastes really good when it's hot. When I drink this when it was like a little bit cold, I don't know, it doesn't taste good for me, my preference at all. So I like it when it's hot. I like to drink the Teami Restore when it's hot. So really good. And if you guys are interested on my clear double mug, I'm gonna link it on my Amazon, not on my Amazon, in the description box below. I got this from Amazon, and it's really cute. Like I've been using this mug for such a long time. So anyways, I think I still have to put more lotion in, and I've been using my Shea Moisture head to toe. This is the coconut. Yeah, I'm almost done with this. That's why I purchased like the big one from Amazon as well, because it's like more cheaper. I believe it's $24 for like the big bottle, or like the big size of these. So I'm almost like running out. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's barely products in it. So this is like my lotion, but not really. I also have been using bio oil as well. So this is like my second, I would say, purchase, because I've been purchasing the small ones, and I finally committed with like the big ones, because they're actually expensive. And also, I don't know if it's just me at night, you guys, I like to put some cologne or some perfumes in. So I have like a little collection here. Let me show you. Okay, so I have like a little collection here. I'm also burning some of like my candles. My friend gave this to me. Anyways, I don't know if it's just me, but I like to smell good while sleeping. So right now I have like just a little collection, like a perfume collection. I also have two of my favorites from Bath and Body Works. This is just this, I would use it as an everyday. I will not use it like at night. I use this a lot at night because this smells really good. And I think I might do just this one at night. This is the YSL Black Opium, and it smells really good. And I also like this on daytime. I have my Coco Chanel here. I love this. The Mademoiselle, and also the Gabrielle. This smells really good. And I have these one from KKW. I kept the nude one, and I'm sending the pink one to my sister just because, I don't know, I prefer this rather than the other ones. So yeah, this, I also have some, this one like lotion, I would say, and more Dr. Teal's lotion. Oh my god, can you like focus? Hello. Anyway guys, I'm also gonna do my skincare. I think I'm just gonna do like a dedicated skincare, because I literally have a new set of skincare, and that's gonna be on another video. And I think because I'm not gonna just include it here just because I want to do it separately. And yeah, after this I like to just like watch some YouTube, TikTok before I sleep, and then, you know, pray, and sometimes I listen to like podcasts. And yeah, I've been just like doing that. Like, that's just me, that's like my reality. And I've been trying to stay off TikTok a lot, but it's just taking my time. So yeah, it is now, I don't know what time is it, but I literally have to sleep around 10:30. It's now 9:41, but I have to sleep at 10:30. I have like a sleeping schedule so I can still wake up early tomorrow to go to work again. So yeah, and also speaking of work, I prepare my scrubs already, so it's easier for me to change. So yeah, anyway guys, that is it for today's video. If you guys like this video, like and subscribe if you haven't already, and make sure, like I said, make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And also, if you want to share my video, you can go ahead and share my video. And if you want to use my code for Teami, then you guys can feel free to use it. So yeah, I will see you guys soon on my next video. Bye.